Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete inventory items on Roblox. Whether it's an old hat, gear, or accessory you don't use anymore, you might want to clean up your inventory and remove things you no longer need. Unfortunately, Roblox doesn't currently allow players to permanently delete items from their inventory directly, but there are still ways to manage and hide unwanted items effectively. Let's go through the steps. First, open your web browser and go to the Roblox website. Log into your Roblox account using your username and password. Once you're signed in, click on the three-line menu icon in the top left corner and select Inventory. Inside your inventory, you'll see all your categories like accessories, clothing, gear, faces, and more. Choose the category that contains the item you want to delete or hide. For example, if it's a hat, click on the Accessories tab, then select Hats. Now, even though there's no delete button, you can manage items in a few ways. If the item was obtained through a game or promo code, you can try to remove it by contacting Roblox support. Go to the Roblox support page, select Contact Us, and explain that you want to remove an unwanted inventory item. Include the item's name and your username in the message. If the item is a user-created shirt, pants, or accessory that you uploaded yourself, you can delete it. Go to the Create tab at the top of the page, select Shirts or Pants under My Creations, find the item you want to remove, and click the gear icon next to it. Then click Delete. Confirm when prompted, and the item will be permanently deleted from your account. For other items like game passes or collectibles, you can't delete them completely, but you can hide them by making your inventory private. To do this, go to your account settings, select Privacy, scroll down to Who Can See My Inventory, and set it to Only Me. This way, no one else can view your unwanted items. And that's it. You've learned how to manage, hide, and in some cases, delete items from your Roblox inventory. It's a great way to keep your account clean and organized.